France has been the world's most visited country for over 20 years, attracting around 82 million visitors each year. People love its rich culture, famous landmarks, delicious food, fine wines, romantic castles, and beautiful countryside. Here are some of the best places to visit in France. Paris. Paris, the capital city, welcomes over 45 million visitors annually. Located along the Seine River, it's known for its wide streets, stunning buildings, and iconic sites like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral. Art lovers can explore the Louvre Museum, while the catacombs offer a unique underground experience. Paris has countless attractions to discover. Nice. Situated on the French Riviera, Nice enjoys sunny weather year-round. As France's fifth-largest city, it boasts a blend of cultures. Visitors can stroll through the historic center or relax on the pebbly beaches, taking in the Mediterranean's beauty. Walking along the famous Promenade des Anglais offers breathtaking views of the turquoise waters. Dordogne. Located in southwestern France, the Dordogne region offers picturesque villages and impressive castles, such as the well-preserved Château de Baynac perched atop a hill. The scenic Dordogne River flows through the area, providing opportunities for boat rides and riverside picnics. The region is also home to some of France's best prehistoric cave art. Mont Saint-Michel. Off the coast of Normandy, the rocky island of Mont Saint-Michel rises dramatically from expansive mudflats. Its medieval structures seem stacked upon one another, crowned by the Abbey of Mont Saint-Michel. Built in 708 AD by devoted monks, the abbey is a marvel to behold. The surrounding bay is known for having Europe's highest tidal variations. Cannes. Once a quiet fishing village, Cannes has transformed into a glamorous seaside city, renowned for the annual Cannes Film Festival held every May. During the festival, fans gather to catch glimpses of celebrities walking the red carpet at the Palais des Festivals. The beautiful waterfront promenade is lined with palm trees, upscale hotels, restaurants, and designer shops like Gucci, Chanel, and Dior. Bordeaux. Straddling the Garonne River, Bordeaux is a vibrant city with much to offer. Its impressive old town features 18th-century mansions and decadent palaces, particularly around Place de la Bourse. Art enthusiasts will appreciate the city's numerous museums. At night, the view of city lights from the Napoleonic-era Pont de Pierre is enchanting. Bordeaux is also famed for its world-class wines. About a 2-hour drive south of Paris, the Loire Valley is celebrated for its spectacular scenery, picturesque vineyards, and historic villages. The region's main attractions are the numerous chateaux scattered throughout the rolling green hills. These range from grand country manors to defensive fortresses and luxurious palaces built by French nobility. The valley is also home to many wineries offering tours and tastings. As the capital of Alsace, Strasbourg boasts a stunning historical center and occupies a strategic position on the west bank of the Rhine River. Throughout its history, it has been influenced by both French and German cultures. Today, the modern European Union buildings gleam in the sun, contributing to the city's contemporary atmosphere. The Gothic cathedral is breathtaking, and the charming La Petite France district is perfect for leisurely strolls. Lyon. Located at the confluence of the Rhône and Saône rivers, Lyon is France's third-largest city. Its strategic location has attracted merchants since its founding by the Romans in 43 BC. The city harmoniously blends old and new, featuring a rich cultural heritage that includes gastronomic delights and fine architecture. The Lyon Cathedral is particularly impressive, and the old town is delightful to explore. Be sure to sample some of the sumptuous local cuisine during your visit. Marseille. One of Europe's oldest cities and France's second largest, Marseille is a major Mediterranean seaport located on the southeast coast. It boasts an idyllic climate, Roman ruins, and medieval architecture. At the heart of Marseille is its old port, dominated by two historic forts. This bustling harbor is lined with waterfront cafes, shops, and bars. Nearby, the Calanques offers stunning blue waters and majestic limestone cliffs. Brittany. Located in the rugged northwest of France, Brittany is a region steeped in legend and Celtic heritage. Its dramatic coastline is dotted with hidden coves, windswept beaches, and jagged cliffs. The region is famous for its quaint fishing villages, medieval towns like Dinan and Quimper, and mysterious megalithic sites such as Carnac's standing stones. Local cuisine features crepes, cider, and fresh seafood, especially oysters and mussels. Brittany is also home to traditional festivals celebrating its unique Breton culture. Pyrenees. Stretching along the border between France and Spain, the Pyrenees offer a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. These snow-capped mountains are ideal for hiking, climbing, and skiing. Picturesque villages like Saint-Lary-Soulan and Cauterets provide cozy accommodations and stunning alpine views. The region also features the scenic pilgrimage town of Lourdes, known for its healing waters, and a rich diversity of flora and fauna in the Pyrenees National Park. Step back in time in Carcassonne, a UNESCO-listed fortified city in southern France. Surrounded by double walls and 53 towers, the medieval citadel looks like something out of a fairy tale. Often called the Grand Canyon of Europe, the Verdun Gorge is a breathtaking river canyon located in southeastern France. Carved by the turquoise Verdun River, the gorge is popular for kayaking, rock climbing, and scenic drives along the rim. Visitors can also hike the Blanc-Martel Trail, which offers dramatic views of towering cliffs and narrow river bends. Nestled in Alsace near the German border, Colmar looks like a storybook village with colorful half-timbered houses, flower-lined canals, and cobblestone streets. Its charming old town is filled with wine cellars, artisan shops, and quaint cafes. Don't miss the enchanting area known as Little Venice and the Unterlinden Museum, which houses medieval and Renaissance art. Famed for its celebrity visitors, luxury yachts, and sun-kissed beaches, Saint-Tropez is a glamorous resort town on the French Riviera. Originally a fishing village, it became a hotspot in the 1950s. Today it offers chic boutiques, stylish cafes, and vibrant nightlife. For a quieter experience, explore the surrounding vineyards and hidden coves. Annecy. Often called the Venice of the Alps, Annecy is known for its crystal-clear lake, canals, and medieval old town. Visitors can rent a paddle boat, walk or cycle around Lake Annecy, and explore the Château d'Annecy, a former castle-turned-museum. The charming streets are lined with pastel-colored houses and bustling markets. Avignon. Located in Provence, Avignon was once the seat of the Catholic popes. The Grand Palais des Papes, a 14th-century Gothic palace, dominates the skyline. The medieval bridge, Pont d'Avignon, is another iconic sight. The city is also known for its Summer Arts Festival, one of the biggest in Europe. Reims. The unofficial capital of the Champagne region, Reims is a must-visit for sparkling wine lovers. Visit the historic champagne houses for cellar tours and tastings. The city's centerpiece is the Notre Dame de Reims Cathedral, where French kings were once crowned. Reims also features beautiful Art Deco architecture and Roman ruins. Alsace villages. The Alsace region is dotted with fairy tale villages like Rickeweir, Egwisheim, and Kaisersberg. These picturesque hamlets boast half-timbered houses, cobblestone alleys, and overflowing flower boxes. Many are on the Alsace wine route, making them perfect stops for sampling local white wines like Riesling and Gewürztraminer. Aix-en-Provence. Known for its vibrant markets, thermal springs, and elegant architecture, Aix-en-Provence embodies the charm of southern France. Walk through tree-lined boulevards, admire the fountains of Cours Mirabeau, and explore the studio of artist Paul Cézanne. The town is especially lively during its summer music festival. Nimes. Nimes is a treasure trove of Roman history, often referred to as the French Rome. Its arena of Nimes is one of the best-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world. Other highlights include the Maison Carrée, a Roman temple, and the impressive Pont de Garde aqueduct just outside the city. Chamonix. Located at the base of Mont Blanc, Chamonix is a world-renowned ski resort and adventure hub. In winter, it attracts skiers and snowboarders. In summer, it's a haven for hikers and mountaineers. The cable car to Aiguille du Midi offers jaw-dropping views of the Alps. Giverny. This peaceful village in Normandy is famous as the home of Claude Monet. Visitors can tour the artist's house and stroll through his enchanting gardens, which inspired many of his impressionist masterpieces. The Lily Pond and Japanese Bridge are especially iconic. Corsica, an island in the Mediterranean Sea. Corsica offers a mix of stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and quaint villages. Birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, the island is perfect for hiking, especially along the GR20 trail. Its unique blend of French and Italian influences is seen in the cuisine and architecture. Etretat. Famous for its white chalk cliffs and natural arches, Etretat is a coastal gem in Normandy. Artists like Monet and Courbet once painted its dramatic landscapes. Visitors can enjoy scenic cliff walks, explore sea caves, or relax on the pebbled beaches. Arles. Located in Provence, Arles is famed for its Roman heritage and connection to Vincent van Gogh. It boasts a well-preserved amphitheater, ancient baths, and a theater. Follow in Van Gogh's footsteps to see the locations that inspired some of his most iconic works. Toulouse. Known as La Ville Rose, the Pink City, due to its terracotta buildings, Toulouse is a lively city in southern France. It's a hub of aerospace technology and also steeped in history. Visit the Basilica of Saint-Sernin, the capitale de Toulouse, and enjoy vibrant cafes and markets along the Garonne River.